Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be examining Multiplier, the pros and cons of using it. You see, Multiplier is a HR robot that hires globally while you nap. So let's be honest, international payroll makes taxes look fun. Enter Multiplier, the platform that promises to hire anyone, anywhere, without you needing to understand foreign labor laws or time zones. But does it actually work, or is it just Google Translate with a payroll addiction? Let's investigate before your next hire ends up in the wrong hemisphere. Let's get started with the category of global hiring. When it comes to global hiring, the pro is that it hires in 150 plus countries while you binge Netflix. But the con, seamless onboarding unless your new div lives in a Wi-Fi-less jungle. What do I mean? If the new developer you want to hire is in a Wi-Fi-less jungle, you will not be able to use Multiplier or get the person. Simple as that. Now let's look at payroll magic. When it comes to payroll magic, it converts currencies so you don't accidentally pay someone in monopoly money. But the con is that tax compliance sounds fancy until you are audited by a tiny island nation. When it comes to legal stuff, the pro is that it handles foreign labor law so you don't go to international jail. The con, local benefits may include mandatory Lima rights, country dependent of course. When it comes to speed, it onboards faster than your last Tinder date ghosted you. And when it comes to cons, it's instant contracts unless the employee asks what at will employment means. Moving on to pricing, it is cheaper than flying HR to 20 countries for culture fit interviews. The con, hidden fees look like your ex's LinkedIn profile. So what's our final verdict? Should you let Multiplier run your global empire? Well, if you're a remote first company, the answer should be yes. Where is my world's best boss mug? But if you're a control freak, just stick to hiring people from your time zone. You see, Multiplier is like a UN diplomat with spreadsheet fetish. It solves global crisis but might accidentally employ a kangaroo. So use it to expand, but maybe check if a tactical has labor laws first. P.S. If your new hire is actually a chatbot, we told you so. Are you still unsure? Test it by hiring someone in a weird country. Just look for an obscure country. What's the worst case that can happen? Worst case scenario? You finally use that passport. Hope you found this video helpful.